WhatsApp users, get ready. A new feature is about to drop, and it's going to revolutionize the way you chat. Meta AI is about to unleash its latest innovation, voice mode for Android. Stick around to find out what it's all about and why you should be excited. So, what exactly is this voice mode all about? According to a recent report by Wabeta Info, WhatsApp is gearing up to introduce a brand new voice mode for its Meta AI, and it's been spotted in the latest beta version for Android, version 2.24.18.18 to be precise. Once it launches, this feature will let users interact with Meta AI using their voice. But that's not all. Voice mode will offer a choice of 10 different voices to customize how your AI sounds, making your experience as personal as it gets. Now you might be wondering, why should I care about voice mode? Well, imagine hands-free texting while you're driving, cooking, or even just lounging on the couch. Voice mode is not just about convenience. It's about making your interaction with Meta AI more natural, almost like talking to a friend. Plus, with 10 different voices, you can choose one that suits your mood. Whether you want a calming voice to de-stress after a long day, or an energetic one to get you pumped for the gym. So, how will this voice mode actually work? Once you activate it in your settings, you'll be able to initiate conversations, send messages, and even get AI-generated replies, all through voice commands. Meta AI will process your voice inputs in real time, giving you instant responses. Navigating to this feature is as simple as heading to your settings, tapping on Meta AI, and flipping the switch to voice mode. Choose your preferred voice from the list and voila, you're all set to chat away, hands-free. With Meta AI voice mode, we're stepping into the future of communication. This is just the beginning. Imagine AI that not only chats with you but understands your emotions, adapts to your style, and even predicts your needs. WhatsApp is setting the stage for a whole new way to interact with technology. So what's next? Could this be the first step toward fully integrated AI in our daily lives? We can't wait to find out, and we'll be here to keep you updated on all the latest developments. Are you excited for Meta AI's voice mode on WhatsApp? Drop a comment below and let us know which voice you're most looking forward to trying out. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the coolest tech trends. See you next time.